Hello guys, welcome to the 15th video of this tutorial series. What we'll be doing today is to create a simple page which we're going to be calling our registration page, because we already have a user page here. Under this user page you have your user registration and your user login. What we'll be creating right now is to create our user reg system, a page where user can fill in their information, send to the database, and they can be able to at least interact with the system itself. So right now we'll save a page out of this contact page and we'll call it reg. Call this page reg. So let's just do that. There we go. Our reg page has been saved out of this contact, so we'll close the contact page. Now we'll be working on this reg page. As you can see, instead of contact us, say registration here. Registration, or let's say user registration. So in terms of all this content, for the contacts, we just erase them and save that. There you go. So we should preview this in the browser. Here we go. You see this user registration, and these are the fields required here. So right now go back and modify this page as it is. So let's go back to Dreamweaver. Right now we have some few information here in terms of user feeds, so we'll just erase most of this for now. For this we'll erase. Better still, let's just take out the contents. There we go. Now all we need to do is add some information to it. So right now we can even remove everything here and start it from scratch. They will be using the same class, but right now let's just go back to the code view and remove one of these tables. Okay, that should do it. So now this is our form. If we save this and also refresh, there you go. Our page is now plain, ready for a fresh job. So let's dive back to Dreamweaver. What we'll do right now, we want to add a table by insertion. Remember, we are inside our form, so I'll just add a table. I'll give it 12 rows on 3, let's say 3 different parts. For now, or rather let's put 4. We'll come back to why we are using 4 in the future. So let's save. Good. Now we have a table outlined on the screen. As for this column, we'll keep it the way it is. Then this we'll need to adjust. So this will be the input fields and this will be the labels. So right now, the first thing we want on our form, let's say surname followed by first name, then let's just say middle name, then we can say sex, right now we'll need to add again, we can say marital status, then nationality, state, in terms of state, let's just say city. After that, say date of birth, what else can we add? Say occupation, phone number, of which let's add some more columns and rows. Okay, right now what we need to add again, what could be needed, let's say place of birth, I'll put semicolon in front of each one. As you can see, semicolon in front of all of them. So what else do we need to do? Let's just add one more field, this one. I'll just mesh it and call it user login details. Then I'll center this, then give it a background of black. Okay, that's good. Now say username, password, or rather password. For now, let's leave it at that first. There we go. Then on this point here, we just insert. Let's just insert our button. Good. We'll call it. Let's give it a value of register now. Good. Let's center align this. Then for this and this, let's make it to the right and also make it bold. Now do same for these fields, make it bold and make it align to the right. Now it is nice and clean. If we save this and preview in the browser, that should come out pretty good. There you go. Our registration page is looking nice, though we've not added our input field. I'll do that right away. So now for the input field, I'll need to add one to it first, and then inside go to form, then test field. This one we're going to give it an ID of surname. The reason we are giving this ID is because in our database in the future we also give this machine name, so ensure that we want to update, it will automatically select these fields without us manually assigning it to it. So say OK. We're not giving it label because we already gave it label. So right now if you look at this, it's nice and good. So I'll just do the same process for all of them. So just bear with me as I go about that. Now I've done this for this first three. For this sex, we'll be using something that I want you to understand. For this, we'll use a spray. Then in terms of that, we'll use a spray menu, select. This validation select, we'll use that as an option. In this case, we'll give it an ID of sex, no label like I said before. So we'll wait for it to copy this prior element to the page. Here we go. On this page, we'll click on this. Under this list values, we'll just assign one first. For this first one, we'll give it a label of select sex, no value. We'll give this one a value of a label of male, label of female, give it female. Then we'll give it a label of others. Now we just close this, and when we save this, preview in the browser right now, you see the slight difference between the two. One is a select and one is a test feed. So right now, as you can see, it's working nice. So if you select, you see male, female, and the rest. So that's just the difference between this and this. This is a normal test field, and this is a select or a drop down, as the case may be. So let's go back and continue. Hello guys, I've gone ahead to at least pause this video while I do the other part of this, just to save time in the course of this video, because we have a length to cover. But what I've just done is repeat the same process I did for this point here to this point, and we also included this sex and added list item to it. I did the same for this, and this. The only difference between this is that in terms of marital status, there are only 3 list items in it: married, single, divorced. Then in terms of nationality, I had to include all the countries that are present in the world, and in terms of state, I added just states in Nigeria because our focus here is just at home, though others from outside, if they have the cost to view this, they can include their own states as they feel like, as they feel. But for the city, it's the same text field with the same ID, city, and the rest. In terms of the user login, we have the username and the password. For the password field, in order to make sure whatever has been typed is secured, we have to check this password here. That's the only difference in it. So if we save right now, and I've already previewed it, this is what you see. In terms of nationality, these are the countries they're in. States, these are the states in Nigeria so far. Then for status, we have your single, your married, your divorced, others as the case may be. Then these are the other fields which you can include something. As you can see, for the password field, our tests are secured, which means our registration is ready to go, as you can see. So let's go back and add a class to it, a class of input. Now we have a class called input. If you can remember, input and input 1. So that's what input 1. If we just refresh this, you see the outcome. Hold on, let me see what is happening here. Unknown field, fail to load online 0. Let's save this again. Sorry about this. Save all. There we go. Sorry about that little error. Our job is ready to kick on. So right now we're going to add the same class to every one of them here. So just go back. I pause the video while we add that to save time. So right now I did pause the video to undergo this process. I've added the class to all of them, of which the class right now you see is input. So I added it to all the fields. Then for the register now button, I gave it the class of send, which we've already created initially in the previous videos. So if we save this right now and preview in browser, that should just solve our problems right away. There we go. So you can see there's everything right now is in uniform, and if you click, the same effect, as you can see, the same effects, same. So if you click, there's a focus on them that you are in that current field. So everything is working nice and good. So let's move back and erase this tree. Remove just 2, then save. So this is just for the registration page. That's what we've done right now. In the next video, or probably in the future videos, we have to add an image here and upload field to this registration form, where we can add a file upload to it. So that will be in subsequent videos, but for now our registration page is complete. So let's save and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll have to create other pages. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel if you like this video.